All right, week 23, day 4, create a design that builds user trust. And the thing I'll say today is the same thing I'll say all week, is that think about building trust, but from an emotional design perspective. But if you find elements where you can use previous challenges to support today's, so if reducing friction helps build trust, you can also reduce friction if adding delight helps build trust. Do that as well, but consider sort of these layers or additional characteristics of an experience and see what you can do to produce something interesting. Make your product feel safe, honest, and consistent. And this could be simply adding transparency. It could be about making it easy for people to see service agreements, terms of service. If you want to see a really interesting, humanized terms of service and privacy policy, check out the ones at Interaction Design Foundation. They intentionally went through the process of doing that and did a great job. It's still a lot, but it's communicated in a very human way. Think about security cues, adding verified labels, so showing that you are authenticated or you are verified, showing lock icons to demonstrate that you are secure, but communicating with all those primary and secondary cues that say, hey, listen, we're trustworthy, and not in a deceptive way, of course. And then again, the other layer is transparency. So one of the big areas that has been in front of mind for a while is effectively just, this is what we're going to do with the data that you give to us, and even when you don't anticipate giving us data, this is what we're capturing about you. Do you agree to it or not? Things of that nature. So whatever you do to build trust, the output, just create a mockup, prototype, user flow, could be microcopy, but demonstrate the trust building tactics and show why you put them in place and how they're going to improve trust. As usual, just so you can communicate to other team members, people around you, stakeholders, so on and so forth, the intent behind what you're doing, just to fuel that meaningful conversation between you. This week, your resources look into our topic, emotional design and emotional response, both very good resources that you can dig into that'll help you understand some of the nature of how emotional design works, how you can use different elements, just micro interactions, copy, storytelling, so on and so forth, to build meaningful emotional experiences and emotional cues for people. If you want a quick intro to emotional design, with this great masterclass that talks about evoking emotional responses through design. And then if you are really interested in this, a really great course, Emotional Design, How to Make Products People Will Love. It's one of the longer courses, but it is exceptionally well done. And what's great about it is that you don't think you find this course very often consolidated in this way. And so it's just a great course to dive into. Yeah, look forward to seeing what you produce here as you begin to think about how to build trust and also layer friction reduction and moments of delight into your emotional design. And we'll see you on day 5.